Hi there, my name is Mauricio and I'm going to teach you how to use Pronto, a managing client software that allows you to send to any of your clients a form that they can fill out and get a request from you. So this is our website, very simple, but I'm going to go straight to it. So let's just register an account. That's the step one. Let's put my name, Mauricio, my email address, Kiyama. Let's put a password here, and then let's register. Boom. Sorry, wrong password. Let's put something else. There you go. So I created my account. So now that I'm in my dashboard, I have the number of clients that I have, number of requests, and if my form is online, which it is right now. So this is perfect. Here's how a button that can take me to my online form. Let me click at it. It takes you right here where your clients can fill out that form. So let's try to do that. Maybe let's put Ronaldo, email ronaldo@gmail.com, so they can kind of put their information. Let's just put random phone number and then put their address, name, street, 124, Salt Lake City, Utah 8411. And then, hey, I want a haircut. Let me know when you are available. Let's click create and create it. So now if you are Mauricio, you can just come here, go to the dashboard, and now you see you have one client, one request. So let's go to clients, and it shows Ronaldo now is one of your clients, so you can have always his information and date and things like that. And if you go to requests, Ronaldo said, hey, I want a haircut. Let me know when you're available. So now you get the chance to contact him and make sure things work. If you need to add clients manually, you can also do that by creating a new client. That works right here, or you can do requests. You can create a request and choose one of your clients. Awesome. This is the gist of it. Thank you so much and hope you start using Pronto. And by the way, it's free, so you really should. Thank you and goodbye.